How do you measure RTT from raw packets? Let me show you. RTT measures how long a request takes to reach a server and return to you. To capture packets, you need sudo. We are using tcpdump. Here we've got the interface. The host to reach is this, and the port is 443. With this, we will be able to display the actual IP addresses, display the time in a more readable way. Let's hit enter and then password. With this second terminal, we are going to go to https example.com. Hit enter. We are going to analyze our output in order to find the RTT. In order to get the RTT, let us first of all look at the communication between the client towards the server. Here is the client. This is the time. And this is what we are looking for, the highlighted part. In order to get the time it took to get to the server and back to the client, let us look at the second line. Here you can see it is here from the server back to the client. So we can see what we are looking for here as well. Now, how do you calculate this? When you deduct the first one from the second part, you get your answer. That is to say, 55.710040 minus 55.681841. We can round it up and say that the RTT is 28.2 milliseconds. This is how you can easily find your RTT, which is the time it takes your client to get to the server and back to the client. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to the channel, to like and to share? Thank you.